What's up guys, this is Josh here, and today we're going to have the review of W34 Smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel, and if you have not subscribed yet, so just kindly click the subscribe button and also the notification bell if you want to have an update for the new an affordable smartwatch. Okay, so again what we have here guys is the W34 that I purchased 2 weeks ago. So I actually purchased it through Shopee, and I've been using this one for a couple of days already, and I can say that this is really nice. Let's start with the good points. So as you can see here, it really looks like an iWatch. So whenever I used it outside, so some of my friends, they say, oh, you really have a nice iWatch, and they just didn't know that I only have the look alike iWatch. It really looks so premium, and aside from that, the strap is really looks like the typical iWatch that you got from the iStore. Rubbers feel smooth and it doesn't feel cheap at all. The wallpaper, it really looks also as the iWatch. So just if you want to choose, just kindly click this crown here, the button, and then long press, and you can swipe to different wallpaper that you want. And in my case is I just choose this style here, like the analog. Let's go to the downside of this smartwatch. The battery only lasts for a couple of days, but I heard that there is some style or different model, and it can last for around 1 week or 5 days. So I might try to review that in the future. The second downside is that I thought it was really a waterproof. So and in here in my country, so it usually rains here, especially at this time of the year, and I was actually wearing it, and I didn't know it's not a waterproof, because as you can see here, there is already, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's the water got into it enters the watch. So maybe let's try to have you, but if the wallpaper is dark, you cannot actually see it. But let's see. Yes, here guys. So as you can see, there is some tiny or like white spots inside the LCD, and I was really disappointed. It's really a big deal. And the other thing is, I'm not sure if the ECG or is really accurate. And yeah, I think that's it guys. So the downside is just the battery. It's not that very heavy duty or long lasting, and also it is not a waterproof. So if you want to purchase it, you have to make sure that you have to take it off when it's raining. Alright, so if you have more questions about this smartwatch, just comment down below, and if you have any suggestions about any smartwatch that we can review, just also comment down guys. Alright, and stay tuned for more videos, and I will have the unboxing of the new smartwatch soon. Alright, so that's all guys, and this has been Josh here, and have a good day.